Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.pop and this is another comic book mystery box unboxing. And what I do on these is I get a comic book mystery box and I unbox them and see what we think. And today Peter the Penguin is with us and she is going to help us look at these Harley Quinn. So this is a Harley Quinn one from comic-box.co.uk. So let's get into this. This is actually the second time I've gotten a Harley Quinn mystery box, and the first one I got was brilliant. Probably one of my favourite mystery boxes. But what happened was I just started collecting Harley Quinn comics. So it was cool because all the comics, I got like about a 6-issue run as well. And these two. So these two here were in the last mystery box I got. And they are beautiful. They are still two of my favourite covers, and this one's got Poison Ivy as well. So I'm hoping I can get something like this in here, but this one could be a little bit disappointing because I've got quite a collection of Harley Quinn comics now. So I'd imagine there's quite a chance that I've already got a lot of these. So little Peter is going to get us in. You've got to be very careful opening these, that you don't slice the comics, because you can easily do that. So these don't come bagged or boarded, and I've got the website here, so you can see, look, this is a Harley Quinn mystery box, £17, so they work out about £1.70 each, which I think is quite nice. I think it's quite a good price, but they've sold out of this. So what happens is, every time I've seen that on the website, they've only actually had one of them in stock. So I feel like this is a very rare mystery box to get. But I thought to myself, well, £1.70 for like these comics is quite good, as long as you like them. That's the thing with mystery boxes, you don't know what you're going to get. So little Peter, she's going to get us in. I'm quite nervous. I'm nervous that I'm going to be disappointed. King Kong, look. King Kong's dong. Ooh, I'm scared. I'm really scared. I'm scared. But what I do is, before I get into it, I like to create a little wish list. And the black writing is what I had as a wish list for the last time I had one of these, and the purple is things I thought I'd like now. So 3 things I'd like is, I'd like a stylised Harley cover. Basically I'd like some variant covers. I like character focus covers. So I like covers like this, where it's one character on the cover. But a lot of the Harley Quinn comics are actually overloaded with characters, but I prefer the character focus ones. And I did at the time, the first one I said, a new character to investigate, Poison Ivy, and I actually got a Poison Ivy on the cover, which was brilliant. But this time I'd just like to get some issues to fill in my gaps in my collection. And as a bonus, I'd love to get any issue number 1s. So what I'll do is I'll come back at the end and see if we got the wish list. But Peter's going to get us in. So the first one, what have we got? Harley Quinn issue number 23. I haven't got that one. I like that one. I like the way that's it's like there's loads of little windows or something. I really like that one. So I haven't got that one, which is brilliant. The Family Circus, I'm not sure what that's all about. Maybe it's like a little story within the main thing. The only thing I don't like about these covers is these DC Universe rebirths. Like, I don't like that. I don't like the way they done that, because I feel like that takes up too much of the cover. That's cool. My favourite version of Harley Quinn, though, out of those, I like this version of Harley Quinn. I like the version of her with her hair like that. I think she looks really cool like that. You got the punk one there, look. The next one, plop, Harley Quinn issue number 18, Red Meat. Well, I haven't got this one either. This is cool. I really like that cover. It's the style of Harley that I like, and it's a character focus one. I really like that. The only thing I'm not 100% sure about is the yellow. I wouldn't have gone with yellow. I would have had a black background. Because if you had a black background on that, it would also make the this black bit here it would feel more part of the cover as well. I like that one a lot. You want a Snickers? Oh, this is a thick one. That's what she said. It's a really thick one. Is this one of those annuals? Undercover Punker, issue number 6. Why is this so thick? Hey look, there's 2 covers. There's no... Oh, weird. Oh, I don't know if that's an extra featuring Harley Quinn, look. Oh, cool. Hey, cool. Secret Origins, issue number 4. You know what? I didn't even realise that was Harley Quinn. I've already got that one. I had that one in one of me last mystery boxes. I love this one. What a very cool version of Harley Quinn. She looks really dark and gritty there. That's brilliant. I like that one. Issue number 4. She's cool, isn't she? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that one accidentally got slipped inside of it. Next one. Yay! I like that one. Issue number 9. Well, I think I've already got issue 9, but I haven't got that cover. Oh, I really like that one. She looks very cute there. That's cool, that. Look at that, look. 1 minute she's like looking like this, and then you can also have her looking like that. This is what I love about getting comics from different artists, like the covers, is everyone will draw and paint characters completely different, but it sort of still feels like the same character. It's quite interesting, it is. Supergirl, she's a cool character as well. Next, yay! Issue number 49 of Harley Quinn, the DC Universe. I like this one. Oh, I love that one. What is her fascination with skulls? That's what I'm wondering. What a cool style she's got there. Huh, look at him, look. He's got a axe on his head. Oh, I like that one. Next one. Oh, yeah. Harley Quinn 48. So this is a little run. What? Whoever's doing the artwork on these covers, I love it. Also, I like the way I like the colours on this one. It's a beautiful colour combination. Like I say, I love that style of Harley Quinn. Look how big her eyes look. Oh, we've only got 3 left. Ooh, issue 47. Clockwork Harley. Look at that, look, she's like almost like a robot. Like a robot Harley Quinn. Quite menacing. I love this run of Harleys. I don't even think I've got any of these DC Universe ones. That's cool. Oh no, we're getting right to the end. Yay! Look, Penguin. Hey, Peter the Penguin. Issue 37, Angry Bird Part 1. Look how crazy she looks. she's enjoying being mental. That's a cool cover as well. And I like the way the purple of the penguin is in the logo. Oh, the last one. Oh yeah. DC Batman Prelude the Wedding, issue number 1. Harley Quinn versus the Joker, part 5, but it says issue number 1. Don't know what that means. That's a cool look. Look how many different versions of Harley we've got. This is brilliant. I'm actually love this. I'm surprised I only had one duplicate as well, which was this one here. So what's my favourite cover out of these? I like a lot of these. I really like that one. I love that one. I like that one as well. There's something quite cool about that one. Yeah, I really like these covers. I think I like these covers because I like I like this style of Harley. I like the funness of that. And look at the background on that one, how cool the background is. Whereas when you look at the background on that, like that one, I feel like that background would have made that cover more cooler, I think. It's quite hard to pick a winner though, which you could say is a negative because it means none of them are really popping and being amazing. But I think it's going to be this one, just because it's so different. Secret Origins issue number 4, featuring Harley Quinn, Green Arrow and Robin. I wonder what Harley looks like inside. Oh, I like the artwork in here, look. Oh please, I want to see what Harley looks like. Hey look, there she is. Oh cool. Look, she looks very cool there. I'd like to see her in her outfit though. Oh, I love this. Look, baby Batman. Little baby Batman. I love this artwork. It's cool. That's my favourite one. Please let me know what you think's my favourite. What you think is my favourite. No, what you think's your favourite. I'd be fascinated, I would. But look at this, look. Did I get any stylised Harley covers? For me, that's quite stylised. I'm not sure if it's a variant cover though. Character focus covers. I've got a load of character focus covers. Like these ones. I like things like that. A new character to investigate. Well, actually I said issues to fill in my gaps. Loads of these are going to go into my collection, which is brilliant. And as a bonus, I'd like to have had a number 1. I think that's an issue number 1. So I am absolutely delighted with this one. Really hope you enjoyed it as well. And, well, how does it compare with these covers? I do think that these covers are more, like, I'd put these on my wall. I don't feel like I'd put this one on my wall, but I'm fascinated by the style of it. It's cool. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I shall see you later for another one.